Windows, you're going to hit the Windows key in the left or right. It's going to split screen. Windows, you're going to hit the Windows key in the left or right. It's going to split screen with the program that you have open, and it's also going to pull up any other programs you have open if you want to split the other screen with that. If not, just click in the blank area. Now that we have it split screen, hit Windows and up or down to get into Quandaries. Quandaries is a new snap view mode that pins apps to the 4 quarters of the screen. Next, we're going to go over shaking Windows, not because we're frustrated with it, but because we have like 5 or 10 programs open and we just want to focus on the one. So you want to left click and hold on to the top bar and move your mouse back and forth like you're shaking it. Everything will minimize except for what you're working on. If you have some sensitive information up and need to minimize everything, press Windows and D and it takes you to the desktop. If you press Windows and D again, it brings everything back. So you have a student come in and you are working on grades or a work project and you don't want them to mess up your workflow. By pressing Windows Control and D creates a new virtual desktop so you can help them and be able to access your programs and files without messing up what you was working on before. To get back to your workflow, press Windows Control left or right to switch between virtual desktops. To close current virtual desktop, hit Windows, Control, and F4. Now we need to look at one of our other programs that are open. A quick shortcut to cycle through open programs is hold Alt and Tab. While you are still holding Alt, hit the Tab to cycle through open programs. Release to select. To get a more 50-foot view of what we are working on and what's open, we can use Windows Timeline by pressing Windows and Tab. Here shows us which programs are open, what we have searched for, and we can also create new desktops in virtual desktops. We can also close virtual desktops.